In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Wix website with someone to edit. If you're collaborating on content, need help polishing pages, or want a teammate to update your site regularly, Wix makes it simple to grant exactly the access they need. Nothing more, nothing less. Let's walk through it clearly so you can do this confidently. Start on your site's dashboard. Make sure you're looking at the correct site, especially if you manage more than one. You can switch sites from your main Wix account area. On the left-hand panel, click Settings. This opens a centralized place for everything related to your site's configuration. Inside Settings, look for Roles and Permissions. This is the control center for who can work on the site and what they're allowed to do. Open it and you'll see your existing team, if any, plus the option to add new people. Click Invite Collaborators. A panel will appear asking for the person's email address. Type the email of the person you want to invite to edit your site. Just below, you'll see options for their role and permissions. These checkboxes define exactly what kind of editor access they'll receive. Think of them as guardrails that keep your site secure while still giving your collaborator the tools they need. Choose the editor role that matches their responsibilities. For example, you can allow someone to edit pages and media, work on the blog, or manage products and collections, while keeping sensitive areas like billing, domain settings, or ownership controls off limits. If you're unsure what a permission does, look for brief descriptions next to each option. A good rule of thumb is to give the least access necessary to accomplish their tasks. You can always expand their permissions later. Before you finish, double-check the email spelling and review the permissions you've selected. When everything looks right, send the invitation. That's all you need to do on your end. Wix will email your collaborator with a secure link. They'll accept the invite, log in, or create a Wix account if they don't already have one, and the site will appear in their dashboard with the exact editor access you granted. If they can't find the email, ask them to check their spam or promotions folder. Quick note: if you don't see roles and permissions, you may not have the rights to invite collaborators, so you'll need to ask the site owner to do this or adjust your own role. And there you go. That's all it takes. From your site's dashboard, go to Settings, open Roles and Permissions, click Invite Collaborators, enter their email, and check the editor permissions you want them to have. You're ready to collaborate safely and efficiently.